YouTube, welcome to an unboxing of Hassan of the Serenity from Fate Grand Order, the Camelot movie, which I haven't seen, so I like the look of the figure, but I haven't seen her in actual anime form yet, so will be soonish. The figure came from Tokyo Catch. It was one of the gifts that the prizes that I won over at that Crane Game app, and I must say I'm getting quite good at it. For January at 4. Which you will see two in unboxing. One is for trading purposes. It was an opportunity that I didn't bother to keep Hassan from loving the war. And then there will be another one soonish that I did earlier this week, voila, soon. But we got here in the box. Let's look at the box first. Figure out the side, pretty nice. And I love the side view. Up high. So yeah, I got no idea how big she's gonna be. It's a big box from Pesto. Opening it up, as you can see, there's it all in the normal cardboard inserts. It has to be assembled. There comes the normal cardboard fillers that they always have in these boxes. So let's carefully get it out. And there we have a plastic case. She looks quite big actually. I think she has mentioned that's 23 centimeters. Anyway, so there we go. Opening up all the plastic before assembly. So that's the one hand. Thorin in the meantime is giving me the explanation in the background as well. Like not too simple. There we go. We'll toss the plastic away later. And the other hand. Now for next month I'm gonna have a lot of these are really loose fittings, but they fit. Next month I'm gonna have a lot of unboxings because so 11 items over at Tokyo Catch, and I think 7 of them are figures. All from my own collection, so they all will be unboxed. March is going to be a very unboxing heavy month as such. So even I want that much that they said it in 3 times. And then I'm taking these out. Requested the shipping of the other items, so let's see. There's a nice skin color, pretty cool face. Looks really fragile. So that bit goes there, and that bit goes there. There we go. Feet insert. In go the hands. So this one should go. Let's see, like this. This-ish. Up. And then we got this knife going here. And that should fit like this. So she's an assassin servant, but as I said, I have no idea what she's capable of because I haven't seen the anime movie yet. But that's the figure. Let's zoom a little bit. So it looks quite full of motion. So that's pretty cool. Same size as on the box. You got another knife in the back here, so I guess you can actually put those kunai knives in there. I haven't tried it, as you can see. So yeah, it's a pretty cool figure. Love the shading in the hair. You can see, goes to a darker purplish. As I've said before, nice face sculpt. Yeah, cool price figure. Fate has cool characters, so that's a bonus. Thanks for watching and see you next time for the next unboxing. Bye bye.